Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today my sister and I did a photo shoot, and lately I've been getting lots of questions. People have been asking me how I edit my Instagram photos, so I thought today I'll just show you guys how I do that. Before I go on with this video, if you've not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do that right now down there. Turn on my post notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, let's start. I'm using my iPod to do this, so I'm going to put the screen here so basically you guys can see what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so we have this picture right here. I think I'm going to rotate it. So Nimi and I just had a photo shoot today, and yeah, these are pictures. Let me just rotate them. Okay, done. So basically what I use to edit my pictures mainly is Facetune. So I'm just going to go to the app. Where the fudge is Facetune app? Okay, Facetune. Yeah. So I'm just going to open that picture, as you guys can see right there. Okay, so this picture we have here. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm zooming into the teeth. The first thing I like to do with my pictures is to whiten my teeth, just to make it look white. I guess. I'm just going to do that right now. But I never put it on like the highest level. I always put it on like 50 or something. But first I'm going to put it on the highest just so I can see that it's actually doing what I want and that it's getting in the right places and everything. By the way, I don't always whiten my teeth for pictures actually. The reason I'm doing it for this one is because these pictures are professionally taken. We used a camera to take them. Usually I use my iPod to take my pictures, so I don't really do that much editing. But because these are professionally taken. Okay, so as you can see, that's crazy. So I'm going to slide down, reduce it to like, okay, 50 looks good. So you guys can see the difference. This is without it. This is 50 and this is 100. So I'm putting it on 15. There we go. So next thing I'm going to do, as you can see, my face has like a bit of acne, some pimples here and there. So I'm just going to clean that up a bit. I'm going to use smooth. Now when I'm using smooth, I always try my best not to overdo it, because smooth has a way of making your face look smooth, but then in a very awkward manner. So I'm just going to do this lightly. Okay, so you can see that. So I'm going to reduce it a little bit so it looks more natural, doesn't look too fake. Perfect. So let's save that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do to this picture, you guys can see my arm. I have a bit of stretch marks there, so nothing wrong with my stretch marks or anything. I'm just going to smoothen it out a bit so that it doesn't pop. It's not showing too much. It's not that obvious. That's a bit much. Just reduce it here. Perfect. So yeah, there we go. And the next thing I'm going to do is whiten my eyes. Like I said, just like for the teeth, you don't make it too white, otherwise it's just going to look really funny and not natural at all. So I'm just going to do that. Whiten my eyes. It's 100 right now, just so I can see that, make sure that it's doing the right thing. Okay, now you guys can see this looks pretty crazy, so I'm just going to slide down and reduce it a bit here. Okay, perfect. So far this is what we have, and now the next thing I'm going to do is brighten the flowers on my head. So I'm just going to go to retouch, go to vibrance. So vibrance is going to help me to make the flowers, like the flowers on my head, I want to give it more color. So I'm just going to go like that on all the flowers on my head. As you guys can see, it's on 100 right now, but I'm still going to reduce it I just want to make sure that it's getting everywhere. Okay, this one. Okay, so there we have that. So I'm just going to slide down a bit and reduce the effect so that it's, like I said, it's not too unnatural. So save. So now we're almost done with this picture. We don't have that much left to do, but what I'm going to do is the background, just going to whiten it a bit. There we go. Can you guys see the difference? I'm not really putting that much to it, just to make the background a bit lighter. There we go. I slid it up to 100 just so that I can make sure that I was doing the right thing. Okay, so now 100 is a bit high for me, so I'm just going to reduce it. This is what we have originally, so I'm just going to put it on like this. Yeah. So there we go. Save. Next thing I'm going to do first, okay, this is what we have. These are the differences, as you can see. So it's looking better already. It doesn't even need that much work. So let's see. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Light FX just to put like some rainbow details and all this stuff. This is so cute. What the heck? Sorry. Okay, so I'm just going to do this because this looks really cute. What the heck? Wait, I want it to. Yeah, damn, sis. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the effects of it. Okay, so I'm going to reduce it. Okay. So there we have that. Looking good. I'm going to save. So yeah, basically this. Oh, you guys can see. Sorry. This is basically the complete work. So as you can see, there's a difference. I don't really do that much work in my editing anymore. I think when I first started on Instagram, I used to do like major editing. Everything had to be perfect. But now it's just light touches here and there. So yeah, there we have it, guys. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that small tutorial. If you'd like for me to go into more details and like show you how I edit some more pictures, or if you want to see how I even edit my YouTube videos or the apps I use other apps on my Instagram as well, but basically I just stick to Facetune. But if you want me to go more in depth, because that's like a light tutorial, nothing too serious, but if you'd like to see me go like in depth, like when I really zoom in and do some crazy things, let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and have a wonderful day. Bye guys.